Hi guys, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video we will learn high-end skin retouching in 1 minute in Photoshop. All stock resources links below in the description. Go to Window and select Actions option. Click on this 3 horizontal lines, and choose Load Actions. After action file loaded and click on Play button. Please make sure your foreground color is white. Don't brush it on the edges and highlights area too. See difference between before and after. Thanks for watching my video.